Step-parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 2, establish guidelines early. Before parenting conflicts arise, you and your spouse should privately sit down and develop parenting guidelines that both of you feel comfortable with. After you develop guidelines, you and your spouse can present a unified front when addressing discipline issues with your stepchildren. This is imperative because stepchildren frequently attempt to separate their natural parent from their step-parent to negotiate a private agenda.